Today we'll be installing the Crew soft top roof. The soft top roof is a canvas weatherproof roof that can be easily removed or installed on the machine. First step for installing this roof is to build the support brackets. We'll use the included hardware, the silver support brackets, to assemble the center machine support. We can set this aside for now. The next step to install is to install the Windlock channel. Keep in mind, for our machine, this has already been installed due to the overhead console installation. It's recommended to install this Windlock channel first before installing the overhead console. The next portion of the install is the complete installation of the roof support rails. We do this by flipping the roof over and finding the pre-cut channel. Slide the support rod into the channel and ensure it goes full length. For our installation, we've already done this on the other side and the front of the machine. The next step will be installing the front portion of the support rail into the Windlock channel. It's recommended to have a helper for this part. Keep the roof draped over the front of the machine for the time being. We'll now place the interior support rails on the machine. Ensure it fits snugly into place, and now we can assess the roof. Make sure the roof fully clears all rails and is even on both sides of the machine. With the roof support bars in place and the roof in place as well, the next step is to affix the roof support straps onto the machine. That part of the strap in place, we can line the upper support straps. This is attached with Velcro. Repeat the same procedure as you did for the front bar, for the rear bar. Bring the straps over. Place the strap in the clip. And then attach the Velcro to the support bars. The last portion of the install is installing the rear straps. This is done with using a M8 channel lock nut and the included T35 hardware. Insert your M8 channel lock nut into the hole behind the ROPS. Using a Torx bit and a socket, tighten down the strap. You can start it by hand at first to get it threaded and get it going. Once securely installed, ensure the roof is even. With the hardware firmly in place, you can tighten down the roof with the rear straps. That completes the installation of our soft screw roof. For more information on this accessory or other accessories, visit cat.com.